Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Manigandan. So today topic we are going to discuss about subdomain enumeration process. Why we need to perform subdomain enumeration process. Just imagine when you are going to perform any kind of bug bounty program, or you are going to engage yourself for red team activity. That time the scope is limited to parent domain, which means they will share only parent domain details. That time you do not have exact details what kind of domains that are available in that particular domain. For that one, first we need to figure out what kind of subdomains that are available in that particular parent domain. Once we have a subdomain details, then we can increase our attack surface, and then we can perform lots of things when we have a proper information about the target domain. So that's why subdomain enumeration process is the biggest approach, I would say. And in order to perform subdomain process, I have used multiple tool, but personally I feel Knock tool is the wonderful tool. I would say user friendly tool which will help us to perform subdomain process smooth way, and it will give a 99% exact results when you are performing subdomain enumeration process. So in order to install Knock tool, this is the hitup directory. First you need to clone this directory into your local system. So this is the call instance which I have created on AWS instance. For testing purpose, I have created this tool. So just to clone this tool, how we can clone, just copy this git clone directory and type this command git clone, then URL. It will take some times. Once you clone this URL, then change the directory into particular repository. So already I am inside Knock folder. Here first we need to install a requirement.test file. So in order to install this one, pipe3 install -r requirements.test. So you need to install this all the necessary prerequisites in order to use Knock.py. So now we have a tool, and we have installed all the prerequisites. Now we are good to go use this Knock.py tool. Okay, just to call knock.py. So when you are not having exact syntax value, that time simply call the .py file and -h, which will help us to understand what are the syntax that are available in that particular tool. So now you can see for full scan, just call .py domain name and ignore code. What are the code you want to ignore? You can use all kind of syntax value that are available in that .py tool. So now I'm going to use .py.p, and I'm going to call google.com. Okay, so here just you can see I'm not using any world is well, which means world is means nothing but which has last of entry for the particular activity. I would say it's kind of payload, but here I'm not pointing any world is file. Then how not py.tool will try to discover the domain and its subdomain details, because the knock py tool in default it's having world is file. Using that world is file, it will try to fetch all the details. Here you can see I will show where it is. Here you can see I'm trying to figure out the subdomain details for the google.com. Here one.google.com, acm. It will keep on checking. Okay, so code details you can see 200 400. While doing the bug bounty or any kind of red team activity, this is the way you have to approach it. So for example, now aa.google. Just copy this URL one.google.com, then I copy and paste it on your browser tab, and you can see so what are the response I am getting from this website. So this is the way you have to approach. So let me stop the scanning process. I hope you understand. It will take sometimes. It will take sometimes. I hope you understand. So just to copy the .py folder. So here it is a well as well. Using this well as well, knock.py tool will try to get all the information. So now let me see the result. Here you can see there are 10,000 entry for this web file. What about if that world is not having the exact information, is not include the exact subdomains for the particular domain? There are lots of possibility that knock.py tool will miss out in order to figure out the subdomain details. So that's why I'm going to use another world is file. Just call knock. Let me come again google.com, but this time I'm going to use w user share list checklist, user share checklist. But this one you have to install checklist utility. Okay, apt install checklist, that is the command which helps us to install checklist. Checklist means nothing but it's a directory which contains all the payloads and the world list details. So checklist, I'm going to discovering call dns. Here you can see this is the file I'm going to use, which has 1 lakh entry for the subdomain. Here you can see. So Knock.py tool will try to figure out the subdomain it is for google.com using this web file. So it will take time, and finally it will give the exact result. So once all the scanning process completed, then under knock folder, the one folder will be created that is called reports. So under report you can see the exact result. Even we can get all the details in the dashboard itself, but if you want to get the result as a file, that one also we can get it from this tool. It would create a folder. In the folder itself we will have a json file which contains all the subdomain details. Okay, thank you guys, have a nice day.